Welcome to the 5 Symbiotic Relationships. I am Juliet May Helampangan Kagandahan, a third-year student of Jose Rizal Memorial State University, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science.
Symbiotic relationships are a special type of interaction between species. Symbiosis.
So what is symbiosis? Symbiosis is a close relationship between two or more different species, or the act of living together.
The 5 major types of symbiotic relationships are the predation, parasitism, competition, mutualism, and commensalism.
First is predation. Predation is when one organism eats another organism to obtain nutrients.
The first example for predation will be that of a cat and a mouse. The second example is the tiger and the deer, where the tiger is the predator and the deer is the prey.
Second is competition. Competition is when individuals or population compete for the same resources and can occur within or between species.
The first example for competition, the deer fighting. The second example shows gazelles and zebras at a watering hole.
Third is mutualism. Mutualism is a symbiotic relationship in which both species benefit.
Yes, mutualism is when both organisms are helped in some way. In this relationship, both species benefit. Birds get nectars in the flower and the flowers get pollinated. The second example of mutualism are the thick birds resting on the back of a zebra.
Fourth is commensalism. Commensalism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species benefits and the other species is not affected.
In commensalism, one species typically uses the other species for a purpose other than food. The first example for commensalism is the cow and the egret bird. The birds love to be with cows, will get on cows' back and pick off the ticks. As these cattle walk around eating grass, they shear up lots of insects. The egrets hang around and get a yummy meal of insects.
The last one is parasitism. Parasitism is a symbiotic relationship in which one species, the parasite, benefits, while the other species, the host, is harmed.
Yes, parasitism is a positive and a negative relationship. In the first example, mosquito is a parasite feeding on a human blood while transferring the disease called malaria. Cockroaches are synonymous with dirt, filth, and poor hygiene, which can result in complications to your health. That's all for symbiotic relationships.
Thank you for watching about symbiotic relationships. I hope you learned something from the video.